My second technology is Book Creator. This is an online program that is very easy to use, and students can create and then publish books and create a link for the book so that anybody can go and view it. The two standards I chose were that students chose the appropriate platforms and tools for meeting the desired objectives of their creation or communication, and students publish and present content that customizes the message and medium for their intended audience. So here is Book Creator. Um, you've signed into this website. You can, again, do it through Google, which is really nice. Our kids all have SMSD email addresses, but they work with Google. You click on New Book, and you have your choice of 6 books. Once you have clicked on your book, it gives you the cover page, and you can change the color of the page. You can make it a grid paper. You can create your own color, and then you can add your media and your shapes, and then your text. So I did this. I started one on our culture report. So the kids would type in a title, and I always tell them to do the text first, and they just go through the pages, type in all of their text. It's really easy to move everything around. You can click this and type in something. Then you can edit it right here. Click done, and then go over here and edit your text size. You can change the font, you can move it around. There's lots of really good features. There's not a ton, but I think that's really good because then the kids don't get distracted by all of the cool features. And then you can also have them record the book. So when you are finished, you can click the share link, and you can publish it online, or you can download it, or you can print it, and it gives you a link so that you can share that link and anyone can go and read your book, and they're just reading your book. They're not on your account. So it's a really good resource, and it's a good way for students to present information that they have learned.